Hello, YouTube friends and family. I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back with a Dollar Tree haul. I still go to the Dollar Tree, but I still encourage you to check out the Dollar Tree General Dollar aisle too. Okay? But, oh, this is all bent up. Zero. I hate when that happens. So, these are the new word on the street. And I came with the info on these. These are the new word on the street. Everybody showing these. I bought them. I found them all. Notice this is a 10 pack, not a 12 pack. I mean, not an 18 pack. These are 18 packs. I already opened them and tasted them for you. So let me tell you. Whoa. You know, I've been doing little Dollar Tree review shorts too. If you have missed those, check them out. I'll link them. This is what the bag looks like. This is okay if you're doing some kind of little gift treat, you know, or spreading around the office. But I'll say, out of all of them, this is the best one. This is the tastiest one. And I gave some away the night I bought them. So I only have half a box. But they are 2 cookies in a pack. 2 cookies in a pack. So if you're doing like a little gift or something like that, yeah. You want to pass them out for Halloween, baby. But this is the best one. These taste a little odd and weird, like fake peanut butter. And these taste chemically. Okay? So just to let you know. And it was only 2 more boxes of the lemon in the store. So I guess the word is already out on the fact that those taste the best. So, and I don't know why I thought I grabbed some sandwich cookies, but I didn't. I mean, like the vanilla sandwich cookies. So I bought a card because there was a death in my circle, and I am very kind of sad about that. Oh, I did buy the sandwich cookies. Duh, here they are in the other bag. So these were good too. So out of the lemon and these were the better ones. Then comes the chocolate chip and the peanut butter. Peanut butter dead last. Oh, it's dead last. But these were good too. And they are 2 a pack. And let me show you the peanut butter. They are 2 a pack. So if you're putting together, you know, like I do my little bingo buddy gifts and all of that kind of stuff. That's something good to have. And see, this is why I don't go to Dollar Tree. I bought these. Don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. But I did see some. And I say I'm going to take a look at them. And try them and see how they work. The color changing light bulbs. And I have my receipts. And if you saw I'm posting shorts with this. So I'll link those above. So they're shorts to, you know, kind of get you here. But if you saw my shorts, their book section at this particular store, if you're in Jacksonville, this is the one at Phillips Highway at the end, across from the Avenues Mall. I was shocked. The book selection was on point. They had a good little bit of stuff in stock. I guess the people over there don't shop there. And it had been so long since I had been over there that I didn't even know it was 2 whole apartment complexes back there now. And a word of advice, I said I wasn't going to talk about it. But if you see somebody in the Dollar Tree and you look at their buggy and you could tell they're struggling, if you can, just bless somebody. Just bless somebody. I literally was so compelled. It was like God was talking to me. The Spirit was talking to me and said, I even left the store trying to ignore the spirit. I say, spirit, do you want me to? Well, I say, spirit. They might have already paid and checked out by now. Spirit, you sure about this? I done put my stuff in the car. And the spirit say, go back and pay for theirs too. And that's what I did. I went back and they were not done checking out, trying to scrape up change. And I just swiped my card and said, here, give me the receipt. And send them on their way. Because an obvious struggle basket is beans, ramen noodles, and bowls. And that's it. I was like, I cannot, I will not. And the spirit was talking to me. I was like, what is this about? I ain't worked in almost a year, but what is this about? And I had just finished fussing at the oil change place earlier that day about $13. The man, you know, let me tell you about this. So we at the oil change place. I ain't ready to start saving money like that, but I do need to learn. I was having that discussion with my son. Look, we ain't learned how to do some of this stuff ourselves because $100 for an oil change is just not happening. It was $93. And I have to get them so often. We talk about 6-7 times a year. And it's just like, no, ma'am, no, I cannot keep doing this. So it was a $25 coupon at the 10-minute oil change place. I used synthetic high mileage oil. But he said, do you use synthetic filters or regular filters? I said synthetic because I know I use synthetic oil. So me and you and everybody in the world gonna think, okay, if I'm getting a synthetic oil change, it's gonna come with a synthetic filter. He didn't say nothing about it was gonna be extra. And then you telling me a whole nother price than the price I'm looking at on here minus my $25. And he was like, well, it ain't but $13.99. I say, well, you pay it then. No, ma'am, no, sir. You should have told me that before you go adding stuff to my bill. So the manager came, straightened it out. He ain't charged me. But that was a lesson for him on communication. Don't you offer nobody nothing unless you tell them the price. Whether they ask or not. You want a regular filter that's included or a synthetic filter that's $13.99 more. That's how that question should have been posed to me. Okay? But that was me early in the day. But the spirit rolled me round later in the day. He wanted me to say that $13.99 to give it to the next person. That's how I'm going to look at it. I hope that was something encouraging for you all. Because I was just moved. I was just moved and touched. So, I saw these. Simple and free. Simple and free. So, these are guided journals. And you start by the day. So, it has the days. And it gives you a prompt. And it gives you, these will make real good gifts. And it has little writings in it. And it says, oh, here's a good one. Media, this month we stopped the madness. We're going radio silent. We're shutting down 7 screens and muting the chatter. For instance, no TV, gaming, Facebook, Twitter, iPhone apps, radio, texting, or internet. Ha! Yeah, I challenge anybody to do this because I don't know if I could do that. Not for no 30 whole days, but it's a good challenge if you want to take it. But yeah, I thought these would make a good gift. Don't know if I'll do it myself, but it is, how many days? Oh, it goes month by month. Month by month. So yeah, this is a good gift. So, I hope this is not a rebuy because I saw a 4th Judy Blume book. So I have 3 of them. And I think this is the fourth one that I was missing. Didn't have time to go back and look at the video or nothing to confirm, but I'll go to my stash and confirm. Because this will make a good gift for, you know, an Easter basket or something like that for a reader. And for a child who loves to read. And then I found this book, which is part of a series. And my son loves series. And it's a young adult sci-fi notable book. Timely, thrilling, and more than a little scary. So, I don't know. I say he might like this. But he likes to start. I'll have to buy those other two somewhere. Because we already know if it's the second one, he's going to say, nope, I can't do it till I get the first one. But we'll see how interested he is in it and work from there. Now, this is a good book. I mean, an expensive looking book for the $1.25. And I was trying to peel back the cover to see the retail price. The little cookbook assorted. $26.99 in US. $26.99. Nice book. Hardback. Weight loss hero. $26.99. And they had at least 2 or 3 still in stock at my store, at the store I went to. So that will be another one I kind of visit if I'm in the area. It's not an area I frequent, but it will be something I kind of visit when I'm in the area. And the last thing, so the gift basket makers in Jacksonville, that might be a good store to go to. Because I might have left one or two of them set-free books too. Can't remember. But this is another book. And it says 52 gifts from me to you. Tell the person you love exactly why they mean so much with 52 gifts from me to you. With a unique prompt for each week of the year, you'll dig deep into your memories and hopes to share the many ways your relationship is special, whether it's remembering a good laugh or thinking about a time you were inspired. This book will help you find the words you need to show your love. So this is a cute little gift. I like that they're undated. And they just, well, actually it's blank pages. Well, it says, you're special because, and then you write, our relationship is, a quote that reminds me of you is. So this is a cute little romantic basket sort of thing, if you ever do those. And let me confirm, because you know what? I'm just paying for stuff. And the card was 50 cents and everything was still $1.25. So, yep. So, that is the Dollar Tree haul. That is the story. Again, an advice, prep and pray. Go outside and bless somebody if you can, if you so can. And I do thank you so much for watching. The world is getting crazier, so be safe out here in these streets. Be safe, prep and pray, and plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. I love you to life. Bye-bye.